Handa ka na ba lang makilala ang masunod nga RMCI MPH Battle of the Nightingales Champion sininga 2024? Ini ang quiz B para sa mga nursing students kag ini ang ikaduha nga Battle of the Nightingales nga patigayunon. For the first time, may mga schools halin sa Negros Oriental nga maga-intra. Kung last year, schools from Negros Occidental kag Iloilo ang nag-compete, sa cluster ni Riverside Medical Center, subong may extra challenge kay may mga schools na halin sa Oriental Negros.
Actually, ang four nga nag-confirm nga mag-join, we have the St. Paul University in Dumaguete, the Negros Oriental State University, or the NORSO, the Silliman University and the Foundation University in Dumaguete.
So, join kid sila sa ato?
Yes.
Aside from the Iloilo, pag-in?
Yes, ang Iloilo, we have University of San Agustin, Iloilo, and West Visayas State University, wherein they joined also last year.
Ini ang pamaagi sa Metro Pacific Health sa pagkilala sa mga nurses kag sa pag-upod sa selebrasyon sa Nurses Week celebration.
The Battle of the Nightingale, this is the MPH way of honoring our nurses and also celebrating the Nurses Week because the elimination rounds, before the Nurses Week, they celebrate the Nurses Week also. Very, very timely siya because they celebrate third week of October. So this is our way also of promoting nursing as a profession and of course to encourage also the graduates of nursing school to join the network of Metro Pacific Health. And for us here in Negros, of course, the Riverside Medical Center Incorporated.
Ano bala ang nagakatabo sa sininga kompetisyon? Kada participating school magapili sa ilang mga best of the best nga students kag coaches. Kag ini sila ang mag-represent ang tagsa nila ka mga eskwelahan.
There are 3 students and 1 coach per school.
Okay.
So, si school na iya ang gapili sang student nga ipadala for the Battle of the Nightingales.
Ang partners ng MPH ug RMCI among Philippine Nurses Association nga amo ang nagaprepare sa questions para sa kompetisyon. Bisan ang host sang event nga RMCI, wala sang ihibalo parte sa mga na-formulate ka questions.
But rest assured that we don't have access to that because this is being administered by our partner, the Philippine Nurses Association.
So, sila ang kakuan?
Yes, they're the ones formulating the questions and they also assign a panel of judges to choose which among the questions will be categorized from easy, medium, and difficult.
So may rounds.
Yes, there are 3 rounds actually. One in the preliminary, wherein there is also an easy, moderate, and difficult questions. Likewise, that the same mechanics applies to the final round.
Sa last year, nangin champion ang Kolehiyo San Agustin Bacolod kag ginasundan sa University of Negros Occidental Recoletos bilang second kag third place ang West Visayas State University. Mas exciting pagid this year kay bangod ang Negros Oriental Nursing Schools nagsulod na sa ilang cluster kag ang champion last year sa Region 7 ang Silliman State University diri na magakumpit sa Bacolod. Gani, mas ginpadakuan pagid ang papremyo bangod 70th year celebration sa Riverside Medical Center.
What's very, very exciting for this year is that the clusters of the Metro Pacific Group, the 24 hospitals, they divided it equally among regions. Like before kasi most of the participants are from NCR because they're quite huge and most of the members are there. But for this year, to give a fair chance for the provinces, they allotted like 3 coming from Mindanao, then for Visayas, supposedly 3, but since 2 lang ang member hospitals, we have 2 here.
Kag ang winner diri sa RMCI cluster ko Negros Occidental, Negros Oriental kag Panay magakumpit sa national level.
To everyone, we are inviting you to watch our upcoming event on August 27, which is the RMCI Battle of the Nightingales at 1 p.m. of the Ayala Capital Malls.
Again, sa August 27 ang RMCI and MPH Battle of the Nightingales 2024, 1 p.m. sa Ayala Malls Capital Central. Ipakita ang suporta sa iutag sa ka mga kandidato sa kompetisyon.